Where will false prophets lead you? Welcome all of you to this video. Today we are going to see another topic, that is regarding false prophets. Will false prophets lead you to heaven? Where will false prophets lead you? That is a topic. Many false prophets had appeared in the world in the past, and they lived, spread false ideas, false philosophies, ideologies, and led the people, many millions of people of the world, in his own ways, basis of the ideologies he introduced himself, not from the God. They did not receive any prophecy from God. Without receiving any prophecy from God, they themselves spread their own ideas, ideologies, visions, and principles to a group of people of the world and misled millions of people of this world. Even today, prophets are appearing and misleading many millions of people of the world. We can see one reference from the Bible. What does God say about the false prophets? Then the Lord said to me, the prophets are prophesying lies in my name. I have not sent them or appointed them or spoken to them. They are prophesying to you false visions, divinations, idolatries, and the delusions of their own minds. These false prophets teach or preach the people, teach the people their own principles, their own visions, their own ideas, concepts. They did not receive any ideas or prophecies or visions from God. They did not receive from God. They did not receive any prophecy from God, but they prophesy lies, false ideas, their own ideas, from their own mind, whatever they feel, whatever they think in their mind, they spread those ideas to the people that they have received it from God. And God says here, I did not send them, I did not give any prophecy to them. Then the Lord said to me, the prophets are prophesying lies, false ideas, in my name, using my name. I have not sent them, God did not send them, or appointed them, God did not appoint them, or spoken to them, God did not speak to them. They are prophesying to you false visions, divinations, idolatries, and the delusions of their own minds. They did not receive any prophecy, did not receive any visions from God. God did not speak to them. Divinations they did not receive from God. All the ideas and principles they spread, and they ask the people to worship some other gods. This is taken from the book of Jeremiah, chapter 14, verse 14. Book of Jeremiah, chapter 14, verse 14. God denied these prophets. God did not send these prophets to the world, and God did not give any prophecy or did not give any vision to these prophets. These prophets spread their own ideas from their own minds, whatever they think in their mind. The people who follow these prophets will not enter heaven, they will end up in hell. Be careful. We can see one more reference from the Bible regarding the false prophets. Many false prophets are there in the world misleading the people. All these people who are following such false prophets will end up in hell, no doubt. So one more reference we can see. This is what the Lord Almighty says. Do not listen to what the prophets are prophesying to you. They fill you with false hopes. They speak visions from their own minds, not from the mouth of the Lord. Taken from the book of Jeremiah, chapter 23, verse 16. He says here, don't listen to the prophets who prophesying to you. They fill you with false hopes, false, wrong hopes. They speak visions from their own minds. Whatever they speak, they did not receive from God, but they speak those things from their own minds, not from the mouth of the Lord. They did not receive any visions or did not receive any prophecies from the mouth of the Lord, but they speak those things to the people in the world from their own minds, whatever they think in their minds. So be careful when you follow any prophets of the world. You must confirm whether they are from the Lord, mighty God of the world or not. Otherwise, when you follow such type of false prophets in the world and follow their words in your life, you will end up in hell. Must be careful. Where will false prophets lead you?